Very good morning, my dear friends. And we are going to experience a nice presentation for all of us from DRA. DRA Managing Director, Mr. Ranjit, has been a very friendly person and known to us in CP circle. But generally, the channel partners are called only the channel partners, but in DRA, Mr. Ranjit and the complete team of DRA, they usually call us as extended arms and the business associates. They don't treat us as the channel partners. They treat us as a partners in their business. And Mr. Manoj Vasudevan, who is going to give the presentation to us, is an MBA graduate. All along, he has been in the sales and in various industries for the last 20 plus years, handled the industries which are toughest, garment and the holidays, the concept of selling holidays, and overall he has got about 20 plus years, and in Chennai real estate for the last 11 years, and 7 plus years he has worked in Mantri in residential, and then moved to Newry, and then he has joined as a vice president, sales and marketing operations in DRA. Mr. Howard of our real estate industry has been a very friendly person who is handling the channel partner sales, or a business associate they call. He is known to all of us and who is also with us in this presentation. And Mr. Arvind, the Chief Sales Officer in commercial projects of DRA, is also with us. And overall, just to tell you about the DRA has been in the field, the industry for the last 35 years. And the only builder to have recognized the extended arms are the business associates, even during COVID. And that too, to prove they have paid in advance for all the channel partners. And then even before the sales, that was the wonderful gesture which was extended to the channel partners by DRA. And let me have the privilege and honor of introducing Mr. Manoj Vasudevan, Mr. Howard, Mr. Arvindan, and I welcome all of them. And I also take a pleasure in welcoming all of you to this presentation by DRA. And Mr. Manoj, the floor is yours. You can start the presentation, and the next 20 minutes will be followed by the presentations of Mr. Manoj and then by Mr. Arvind. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Balaji, for that wonderful introduction. Thank you, Amit, for this opportunity. And DRA is glad to be part of this particular meeting, and it's my pleasure and honor to share about DRA and our current projects in Chennai. So I'll start my presentation now. Hope everybody is able to see.
Yeah, all clear.
As we all know, DRA is known for its quality and on-time delivery. This is one brand which has been able to live up to its promise of on-time delivery in all our projects that we have completed in Chennai. So this is a snapshot of what DRA is all about. It's a 35-year track record in Bangalore and Chennai with a customer base of close to 12,000 satisfied customers, and residential projects worth 2,500 crores under construction in Bangalore and Chennai, and more than 10 million square feet of completed projects, apartment, and 7,685 apartments handed over till now. You all know the projects of DRA. I don't have to elaborate in detail, but these are our completed projects. The last project that we completed was 90 degrees on the Radial Road, which again we completed on time. In spite of our lockdown challenges, we were able to complete the project on time. All these projects are also sold out. So 90 degrees, Tuxedo Elite, Tuxedo, Pristine Pavilion 1, 2, and 3. So all these projects have been sold out and handed over. Our next project that we will be handing over is Ascot which is again already sold out, and we will be handing it over in the next couple of months again on time. So that is a track record that we in DRA are very proud of, and Mr. Ranjit takes the credit for driving the team to ensure that we always deliver on time. So having said that, we are in a situation where all my old inventories are completely sold out. I don't have any ready to occupy inventory currently. My only project that we are going to focus right now is at Navalur. So before I get into the details of the project, I would like to maybe spend a few minutes on why Navalur. So Navalur is the most happening hub in OMR, as you all know, and we are located just 1 kilometer off the Navalur junction on the Navalur-Tarambur road. And this area is obviously located, surrounded by a lot of high quality social infrastructure, be it malls. There are 2 malls within a 1.5 kilometer radius from this project location of ours. Obviously, OMR is 1 kilometer away. We have a lot of hotels, IT parks. So basically, this is a location where, as a resident, you can actually walk to work and have a great lifestyle. Plenty of schools, a lot of hospitals, everything is around this locality. So as a brand DRA, we are very gung-ho about this particular location, and that's the reason why we have 2 projects happening at Navalur at the same time. And yet another interesting statistics that we found last year was that based on a survey done by 99 Acres, they are reporting that Navalur has, in fact, the highest rental yield as well as highest capital appreciation, one of the highest locations in Chennai for that matter. Like the report says, as you can see, Sholinganallur has a rental yield of 4%, whereas Navalur, they are expecting a rental yield of 4.3 and a capital appreciation of 5% in Navalur. So that talks volumes about Navalur. So in fact, one of the most frequently quoted example by Ranjit is that there is a Starbucks in Navalur. So in this location, you have 2 malls and a Starbucks, which is something which is you can't find in many locations in the heart of Chennai. So now I'll get into the details of our project in particular. So in Navalur, we have 2 projects called TrueLive and Centralia. So this is just a location map of where we are in Navalur. So we are just 1.5 kilometers off the OMR Navalur junction. So as you can see, there is a Vivira Mall, there are a lot of engineering colleges, there is a Marina Mall on the other side of the road, schools, IT parks, Infosys, all the locations, you know OMR, so I'm not spending too much time here. This is the aerial view of our project which has been rendered here. So as you can see, there are 2 blocks. The block on the left is TrueLive and the block on the right is Centralia. And we are located on the Navalur-Tarambur road. So not off, not in, not little away. It's bang on the main road. And a few more images of the elevation for you. This is the site map. So hope you are clear. What we see here is one block is TrueLive, the other block is Centralia. None of the amenities are shared. In fact, the entry, exit, everything is separate. So why 2 projects? The first block is called TrueLive Navalur. So this is India's first dedicated, fully furnished co-living apartment. So when I'm saying India's first dedicated, this building was planned and designed to be a co-living project. So it was not a stopgap arrangement or an afterthought that it should be made a co-living concept. This was designed to be a co-living concept. Like you all know, DRA had tried out this co-living concept in Pristine Pavilion, and it was a great success and have been operating this for the last 5 years. So based on the learnings, we decided to start TrueLive Navalur. So this is a project overview. So the overall site is 2.16 acres. The phase 1 that is referred to here is Navalur, TrueLive, which is 182 units. So it has a stilt, plus it has a commercial and amenities floor and 13 floors of apartments. So I'm sure all of you are in the industry and you are to some extent aware of what co-living is. DRA is betting big on co-live because we have already tried it out in Chennai, and now we are coming up with a dedicated project only for co-living. So the reason behind that is the modern millennial is looking at various lifestyle options, and when they are bachelors, these are the things that they are looking for. Basically, they get a community living. It's obviously economical, And obviously, the current generation is not looking at one job for their lifetime. They are ready to change jobs even in 6 months. So there are a lot of frequent job changes that happens with the current millennials. So, and there are a lot of people who are migrating. They are not sitting in their native village or town to work. They are obviously mobile. They are moving to various parts of the country. And in a city like Chennai, the percentage of migrant workers are obviously increasing. So compared to 5 years down the line, we are seeing a drastic increase in the percentage of non-Tamil, non-Chennai people who are coming and working in Chennai. So this co-living space is going to be a great advantage and a great benefit for this millennial workforce who are working in Chennai, particularly the IT corridor. So this is basically a snapshot of a study done by JLL on the co-living market. So if you see constantly, there is an increase in the demand for co-living. And the gap between the demand and the supply is huge. So like I said, we are looking at almost 40% of the workforce are migrants across the country. And even in Chennai, the migrant population percentage is quite high, particularly on the IT corridor. That's one of the reasons why we decided to bet on Navalur with the co-living concept. So this is a typical floor plan. See, what we are looking at is you will get a 762 square feet apartment. So as an investor, you are required to invest in a 762 square feet fully furnished apartment, which will come to you at an all-inclusive cost, including registration of 41 lakhs. So a typical floor will have 14 apartments. Each apartment will have 2 bedrooms. So this is a floor plan of a typical unit, 762 square feet. It has 2 bedrooms. Each bed will have 2 single beds. So the concept is a millennial workforce, an IT person who is a bachelor, who is working in Chennai, who is looking for a rental accommodation, truly will be the first choice, purely because this is a dedicated co-living community and there will be no hassles of that typical bachelor will face in Chennai for finding an apartment to live. I will elaborate that in detail in the coming slides. So what happens is this particular apartment is fully furnished, like I said. So a kitchen cabinet, cooktop, sofa, TV, AC, washing machine, refrigerator, the works. Everything is done up in the apartment. So it's basically a plug and play concept for the millennial workforce. He has to just come with his personal clothing, bag and baggage, and start living from the day one. He doesn't have to worry about none of the hassles that is typically associated with moving into a new rental apartment. So not only do they have a fully furnished apartment, they also get all these amenities which are fine-tuned for this millennial workforce. So they get a gym, they get a centralized dining area, Wi-Fi, lounge, multi-purpose hall, power backup, obviously CCTV, and we also provide a shuttle service from TrueLive Navalur to the OMR area. This is a dedicated exclusive shuttle service for these millennials who are going to live in TrueLive Navalur. So coming to the investors who are our target audience in the first place. Like I said, we are getting a 762 square feet apartment at a cost of 41 lakhs, and we are guaranteeing a rent of 17,500 per month, which translates to 2.1 lakh per year. And this comes with zero maintenance for the first 5 years. So we are looking at a net rental yield of 5.1% for the investor who is coming on board with us in TrueLive Navalur. So a customer books an apartment with us. We are committing a handing over by March 23. He has the option to make his payments as per the construction schedule, and post handing over, his total all-inclusive cost will be 41 lakhs. And from first year of after handing over, he has to sign a lease agreement with DRA, and post the lease agreement, he is guaranteed a rent of 2.1 lakhs every year for 5 years. This is a non-terminable lease that we sign with the investor. So the apartment is in the investor's name. It's properly registered in the investor's name, and he has to sign a lease agreement with us, and we guarantee a rent of 2.1 lakh every year for 5 years. And it's a net rental yield of 5.1%. Just for reference, we have given a chart here of the current interest rates. Even at 6.9% for a loan of 20 years, 80% loan works out to 32.8 lakhs. So that's illustrated here. So his EMI works out to 25,233 and we are guaranteeing a rent of 17,500. So plus there is a maintenance which we are not charging the customer. So that is around 2,697, which is an additional saving for us. So somebody, and this kind of an investment opportunity is not available in the market. See, real estate is the only investment opportunity where you can get a bank loan and still invest it. So here you have a double benefit of you are getting a good home loan rate at 6.9% and your own contribution is only 8 lakhs. So basically your own money that comes into the investment is 8 lakhs and you are recovering your investment in 5 years. Your 8 lakh, you get back as 10 lakhs in 5 years after handing over. And your loan is automatically taken care of by the rental returns. So like I said, the advantages here are that you get a guaranteed rental, there's zero maintenance. And yeah, this is one big plus in this particular project. The GST is only 1%. And obviously you have the tax benefits also. Now imagine an investor who is looking at buying an apartment and giving it out on rent on his own. So he has to first buy the apartment, do the entire due diligence and process with the developer, register it, take possession, and then the real paying starts. He has to now furnish the apartment. He has to now find a tenant. He has to worry about maintenance. He has to get into an agreement with the tenant. He has to then worry whether the tenant will pay on time. What is the profile of the tenant? Will he maintain the apartment properly? None of those hassles are there with TrueLive Navalur. So as an investor, you buy and you get into the lease agreement and you don't worry about anything else. Your apartment maintenance is taken care of. Your tenancy activities are taken care of by DRA. So we ensure that we obviously will be targeting the millennial workforce who will be coming and living as bachelors, and each apartment will have 4 bachelors living in the apartment. So that is how this business model works. So we give it out to the millennials on rental, and we in turn guarantee you the rent of 17,500 per month. And we pay the rent on an annual basis. Some of the images of the apartment, this is how it will look like. We in fact have a actual model apartment at site. So post the lockdown, you're all welcome. We can even organize a visit for all of you to see the model flat and the site. These are the images of the gym and the multifunction hall. So this is all about TrueLive, where that's a product dedicated for investors. So if you, as an investor, you invest 41 lakhs and we guarantee you the rent. At the end of 5 years, you have the option to either renew the lease or take back the apartment and give it out on rent on your own. Or even if some young couple are there, they are open to coming and staying there, even that option is open. So all 3 options are available with TrueLive Navalur, and it's a hassle-free rental return product that's available in the market with DRA. That comes with a unique track record of having done something like this for the last 5 years successfully, and a very clear, nicely fine-tuned risk-free investment from DRA is what TrueLive Navalur is all about. Now I get into the second project, which is Centralia. It's the second block in the same project location. None of the amenities, like I said earlier, are shared between TrueLive and Centralia. In fact, that's one of our learnings from Pristine Pavilion. So you have one block which is fully bachelors with their own lifestyle, with their own community, with their own conveniences, and they don't interact with the regular residential block, which is Centralia. No amenities are shared. The entry exits are separate. So Centralia is 178 apartments of 2 and 2.5 BHK configuration. And these are compact apartments. So 2 BHK starts from 979 to 1035. 2.5 BHK starts from 1040 to 1053 square feet. And all the basic amenities are always in place. Gym, multifunction hall, landscape podium, children's play area, CCTV, STP, WTP, all the works. And one of the unique features of all DRA projects is that all our apartment projects have a hydropneumatic pressure system. So this ensures uniform water pressure in all apartments. So I don't know if it's a good news or a bad news. 2.5 BHKs are already sold out in this apartment. So we are left with only 2 BHKs in this particular project. So this is a typical floor plan. This is the first floor. And the typical plan from 2nd to 14th floor. So this is a typical 2 BHK. This is again the images of the gym and multifunction hall. This is the landscaping renderings of the project of Centralia. So Centralia was launched in October 2020, and we had around 56 2.5 BHKs, which is all sold out. So we are left with 2 BHKs. And like I said, even in this Centralia, we have the biggest advantage of GST being only 1%. Some more views of the landscape. This is the latest construction images of the site we took the day before the lockdown. So you see the foundation is done, still floor roof work is on. And what you see on the bottom left is the typical construction timeline meter that you find in front of every DRA project. This is a concept that we have pioneered and we are very proud of. And we have been able to stick to our commitments based on the timeline meter that is displayed at every site. And as you can see, the Centralia, the handing over dates, everything is mentioned, and there is a reverse countdown of the timeline that is happening on real-time basis. So this is the details that I have for both the projects, which is at Navalu. So you want to take the questions now or you want to take the questions later? I'm open to it.
We'll take the questions the last, Manoj.
Sorry?
We'll take the questions after all your presentations over.
Okay, absolutely. So then I think, Arvind, it's over to you. So I'll stop the screen sharing here. Thank you, Manoj.
So first of all, a very warm morning to everyone. I hope everyone is safe and your loved ones are also safe. So here comes DRA with a new product called...
Arvind, can you be a little louder, please?
Yeah, sure. Is it audible now?
It's better.
All right. So here comes the product from DRA called Real Invest. So Real Invest is basically a novel concept where a real estate investment is assured of a guaranteed return. So typically a residential product coming with close to a commercial return is something what we are offering in the heart of the city called Porur. How does this Real Invest work? Basically, it is from the developer called DRA, and it is being delivered as service apartment, and it is sold as Real Invest apartment to the investors. Once the apartment is handed over, the investors sign a lease term with our company TrueLive for a period of 9 years, and we manage and assure you the rental for the stipulated duration of 9 years on a monthly basis. So what we currently offer is incremental return, which means that 1,50,000 is the yearly return for this product, which is calculated at 12,500 per month. And every 3 years, there is a 15% escalation or increment in the rent. So on day one, for the next 9 years, your rents have been finalized. So first, second, and third year, it comes to 1,50,000. Fourth, fifth, and sixth year, it becomes 172,500. And then 7th, 8th, and 9th year, 198,375 rupees. So as Manoj was giving you a brief on co-living, I would just like to highlight one specific point, which is the supply and demand. Even in 2021, where the supply of bed is restricted to 3,20,000 hardly, the demand is at around 15 times more, which is like around 48 lakhs. So this is what we are trying to bet on, that going forward also the demand will increase and the supply is not increasing to that extent, making this a very fruitful investment for the investors. So I would rush out to the location now. So basically, the two ways to reach out to our location is, first, once you cross Chennai Trade Center, you cross the Porur Bridge, you take a right before Ramachandra Medical College, which goes towards the bypass. Before you can go and join the bypass, there is a left towards Chettiaragram First Main Road. From the highway, 50 meters is our property. So it is basically second property on the service road. Likewise, you come from Coimbatore, you take the bypass after Madurai, you cross Madurai, you have before the toll, which is called as Porur or Vanagram toll, we have to take a U-turn, and as soon as you go towards the service road, 50 meters is our property. What are the advantages? If you ask us, basically Porur is surrounded by the IT parks in and around 10-kilometer radius. Besides that, you have huge hospitals which also act as a service point to us. Airport is very much accessible, just 25 minutes from our place. And the most important factor is the perk of getting water. So Porur being having a lake very close by, has a 24/7 water supply, which actually helps in a big way. Now, Truliv Porur basically is a 50.5 cent property, which is 21,997 square feet land area, where we are constructing 178 studio apartments or service apartments of 328 square feet. The structure will be stilt plus 5 floors, where the first floor alone has 26 units. Second, third, fourth, and fifth floor will have 38 units per floor. The tentative date of handover is March 2023. This is the front elevation, which is of the project. Similar to what Truliv Navalur offers, here also we offer you a fully furnished plug-and-play apartment with a small kitchenette and all the accessories that are required to complete a home. So this is where the tenant has to just come in with his personal belongings and can start staying from day one. Amenities include all the basic amenities like fully furnished gym. You will have indoor games, centralized dining area, parking facility, Wi-Fi, theater room, etc. And to top it, we have an electrical vehicle charging point at the stilt area as well. Now, this is the gallery of our project. Just want to highlight few things, that these gallery images are specifically designed for this project. So it is not any basic photo that we have downloaded. We have worked on these photos. And the most important highlight here is the dining, where of ours, it can be converted into workstation because we have provided power sockets at appropriate junction points. This is the corridor, the theater room, how the apartment will look from inside. Quickly, I would like to highlight about the footprint of Truliv in Chennai. This whole concept of co-living was started with our project called Mahindra World City Pristine Pavilion. From there on, when we saw a reasonable success, we tried to replicate by taking third-party properties on long-term management lease model. So today we are spread across Chennai, including Ananagar, Chetpet, Nungambakam, Tenampet, T Nagar. This side towards OMR, we have Sholinganallur, Padur, Karapakam. So this is how we have expanded our whole of the operations in Chennai. Now, quickly getting into the costing, I'll just share the cost sheet for this property. Yeah, so the 328 square feet unit comes with a UDS of 37%. The basic cost is 25 lakh 1,000, And then the other charges like corpus, GST, which is at 1%, and stamp duty accounted comes to 26.49. So on an investment of 26.4,
Arvind,
I think some problem. in
Not
this.
audible.
Arvind, you're not audible.
Arvind, you are not audible.
I'll call him. 1 minute. He got disconnected. He's connecting. 2 minutes, a minute or two, he'll join us. Sorry about it.
In the meantime, I request before the question and answers, I request all the participants to put their contact details into the chat box so that CP channel can of DRA can contact you for being a CP. There are about 59 participants, and most of us have not shared their contact details. I request everyone to share the contact details, please.
Yeah, I think around 40 details were the 40 participants, not everyone. Thank you, sir.
Hi, Howard. How are you?
Howard Trini is asking you.
I think you're on
I'm
mute.
sorry. Sini. I said I'm good. Sorry, I didn't unmute.
No problem. No problem.
How is the lockdown with you?
Yeah. Not treating us that great.
I should tell you all, since I got the break, we did 10 bookings, including yesterday's booking.
Oh, fantastic.
Lockdown. Two were from the previous follow-up, and 8. That is 8 were without site visits, virtual site visits, and out of that 7 were from channel partners.
All for Porur or Navlu?
Navlu.
so we have, I think, Arvind back on track.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Arvind.
hi,
Yeah,
my sincere apologies. I think there was some network issue at my end. So now I'm sharing the commercial property called Plathin. It's on the inner ring road, just next to our project Tuxedo and Tuxedo Elite. So the total land area is 29,292.
Arvindji, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Your Porur presentation got stuck in between. We were in the last slide, I suppose. You were mentioning about another all-inclusive price.
Okay.
Probably if you can, complete it, because I think next slide might have the percentage yield and all.
No, sir. Actually, I had just presented the cost sheet and the payment schedule. That's about it.
That's about it. Oh.
Okay. So if you want me to just give you the background of the percentage yield, basically what happens is you're investing 26 lakh 49,320, and you get a return of 1,50,000. The yield percentage becomes 5.66% today at the start of the project. Now, continuing with my commercial project, the total area, saleable area is 89,036 square feet with one tower. It is basement, stilt, and 8 floors, where first to 7th floor is 11,716 square feet, and the 8th floor is 7,023 with a small private terrace. The amenities are again STP, WTP, and 100% power backup from our side, and there are 3 lifts provided in this. these are the basic specifications from our end. We will share the presentation so that it can save some time. Location-wise, it is very close to airport, and the accessibility is so good that both rail and land road, that it becomes an ideal corporate office location for anyone. So the advantage is that it's the only standalone new commercial space available located within the CBDB region, and it has a spacious floor plate, highly connected both via rail and road. The option is also available for first 2 floors going as retail space because the approval is in place for that. And it is from a developer known in the industry for quality and timely delivery. This is how the carpet area and saleable area of floor wise has been arrived at with 89,036 square feet saleable area and a land area of 29,292. The project commercials have been kept at, if someone is looking for a sale, it goes to 10,000 rupees per square feet. And if you're looking at rent expectation, it comes to around 65 rupees per square feet weighted average. So the maintenance is separate, security deposit if it is for a rent or a lease, and then taxes, stamp duty extra if it is for a sale. So this is how the typical floor plan is for the basement. This is tilt area where you have your car parks covered and open. This is for the first and second floor shop area, the way the lobby is and the other area is. From third to 7th floor, the floor plan. And the 8th floor, where there is a small portion also for known as open terrace being provided. Next in line.
So have you all done with your presentation?
Sir, just another 3 minutes, I'll be done, sir.
Yeah.
This is the next property available up for this thing. It's called as Zura on the Inner Ring Road, Adambakam. So this is 29,630 square feet hyper mall comes commercial building with a land area of 13,593. Basement stilt and floor 4 floors with 25 car parks and 67 bike parkings. And similarly, power backup, STP, WTP, and CCTV cameras are taken into consideration. This is the warm shell specification. This is the area statement where this is basically a joint development project. Landowner is also ready to sell if at all someone is looking to buy out the whole building. So that is how we have classified this complete property. Location wise, it is just next to Ascot and on the Inner Ring Road, very close to airport. Again, this is a perfect space for good investment. This is the project commercials where 12,500 has been quoted as sale price and the rent expectation comes to around 75 rupees. The handover is April 2022, that is 11 months from now. The property construction has begun at site. This is how the basement floor plan is. Stilt come site floor plan. First floor where there is one portion to landowner and the other portion of 1B to DRA. Second floor completely to landowner. Third floor again between landowner and DRA. And fourth floor. So if you see the third floor, we have clearly earmarked and also given common facilities to both if at all someone is looking at sale. 2 more projects and then we can go for the question answers. Just So as Manoj had briefed you about the Navalu project, I would like to just highlight there are 6 retail shops constructed in this gated community, totally 8,101 square feet. Out of the 6, 2 have been sold. So the current price that we are offering is 7,200 plus other charges. The rent expectation is around 40 rupees. This is the project specification. This is the typical floor plan where there are 6 shops and these are individual. So shop number 1 is available, 1927 square feet. Shop number 2, 1036 square feet is available. Shop number 3, 1046 is available. And shop number 4, 1197 is available. So shop number 5 and 6 have been sold. And I would like to just end with one second. With our final commercial offering. It is known as Aditya on the Lloyds Road. So this is in the heart of the city at Lloyds Road, where the total saleable area is 16,662 square feet, with a land area of 8,492, still plus 5 floors, where this is also a joint development where the landowner is willing to sell the first 2 floors and DRA holds 3rd, 4th and 5th floor. If we are able to get the price expectation that we have, then we can look at a complete sellout. Otherwise, we will retain and we will move in our office later. So it is very close to basically Spencer's and then Kaveri Hospital, Savera Hotel, Marina Beach, Music Academy. So it's in the heart of the city. These are the project specifications. This is the sale price expected and the rental expected. This is the stilt level layout. This is the office layout of typical floor space of 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. So I would thank you for giving us this opportunity. So going forward to keep it simple, from our end, the connect will be with Howard and Sushmita.
Yeah, thank
சரி சரி வாங்க அப்படியா
Yeah, I think
Mr. Balaji, we have come to
presentation, Mr. Arvind.
yes, sir. We are complete with our presentation. So even we have put up whom to connect with to ensure lead registration and everything is smooth. It is Howard and Sushmita.
Yeah, we can share it on the WhatsApp group with all the participants.
Sure, sir.
And can we start the question and answers? The first question is from Mr. Tagarajan Arbugam. He has a question to Mr. Manoj on the rentals of Truly.
okay.
So you can answer, sir. He wants to know whether you will be paying it in advance or you will be paying it at the end of the year.
We'll be paying the rental annually at the end of the year.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, friends, the question and answers is open to you. The forum is open to you. You can ask your questions.
Yeah.
You can raise your hand or put a hand raise and then start asking the questions.
Howard, Arvind Howard, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very simple thing. On the Lloyds Road, where exactly is your commercial project?
I tell you, Ajanta bus stand, PF office, Ajanta bus stand.
Yeah, I know Ajanta, I know Cambridge School.
Yeah, you don't have to go before the bus stand. There's a lane going towards the beach, like Tripoli Cane connection. There's a street.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
big street.
Yeah.
As you enter on your right hand side, it's the 3rd building.
Okay.
As you main on.
Okay, but you are projected a rental of 80 rupees per square foot over there.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
being a city property and being a city property plus the construction quality and the elevation that we are providing, definitely we tend to ensure that we get it. So it's just going to be first 2 floors. If at all that becomes the case, third, fourth, and fifth floor will be retained by our own company for their corporate office.
Okay. Good. Thank you.
Is it near to Naval or Kalyan Mandapam?
Next to that, I think.
Next to that? Okay. For 3 crores property, I think that one.
Yeah.
I do have a question on behalf of all the CPs here.
Yes, sir.
No, this day, what all the marketing supports which you give to the
Oh.
CP?
We give all support, sir. Name it.
Great.
I
Manoj,
think, to be very honest.
Yeah.
To be
This
very
is
honest.
regarding to, sorry, can I ask
Yeah,
a
please
question?
go ahead. Please, yeah.
Yeah, so regarding these projects, TrueLive and Navalur, where you have a rental yield.
Yeah.
Now, when an investor or a buyer buys and he pays in stages, the rent kicks off only after handover, or how does the rent, when does the rent kick off? That's question number 1. And
Okay.
second, is there a security deposit on the rent? Normally in a city-based project, we have a security deposit also that we receive.
Okay. Good question, sir. I have 2 answers for this. First question is, in my presentation, I told you about the cost of the apartment as 41 lakhs and the payment to be paid as per the construction schedule.
Correct.
The sweetener to the whole deal is that currently we have an offer where we are taking care of the pre-MI of the cost. So DRA currently has an offer for any customer who's booking with us. After you pay the 20%, the balance 80% back loan, we take care of the pre-MI, and that is reimbursed on a monthly basis. So you don't have any interest liability. That is part 1 of my answer. Part 2 of my answer is, yes, after you take possession of the apartment, we sign a lease agreement for 5 years and the rental return kicks in after possession. Okay, this is 2 answers to the first question. The answer to the second question is, see, this is a co-living model where we take the entire responsibility and the risk of the rental returns. So what happens is, even if your particular flat, say 104, is not rented, you still get the rent. You have nothing to do with the tenant. So it may be occupied for 6 months, it may not be occupied for 6 months, or it may be vacant for 1 month. You are not bothered about all that. We take the liability because the lease is with us. There is no security deposit involved. The rent will be paid to you annually at the end of the year.
At the end of the year. Okay. And where Centralia is concerned, that is a pure sale vanilla project where you're going to sell it to end users. That has nothing to do with. Okay.
No. So there is no cross-selling happening between TrueLive and Centralia also.
Okay. Got it. And Real Invest, they're talking about Real Invest. I think there's a service apartment project in Porur.
Yeah.
And there also you're offering a rental yield.
Yes, sir.
So there also you're going to have this co-living operations only, or how does that work?
Yes, sir. It is still it is similar to co-living only. So we will be the only one thing what we haven't decided yet is that we'll be bringing in our own operations or we'll be signing up with a third party. That is something which we haven't taken a decision. Otherwise, it is on the co-living grounds only.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Mr. Satish, you had raised your hand.
Yes, this is in the list only. You just now you clear the point. Anyhow, you are drafting the class force bro. It is through this pandemic non-occupancy, whether we're paying the as you said the rent fixed for your agreed period.
Sir, basically, this is once in 100 years, these kind of acts happen. So obviously, there are certain things which are not in our control. So if it is a force majeure being declared, then definitely on mutual understanding, we have to move ahead in life. So honestly, we are still 2 years away from handover. So we are pretty sure that by the time we hand over, things will be back to normal and you will not have any major issues going forward. So definitely
Yes,
there is a force majeure clause applicable, and that will be again purely on a mutual understanding. We will take a final call.
okay.
And just to add to what Arvind said, see, say for example in Navalur on the IT corridor, there are more than 2 lakh migrant workforce happening there in the IT corridor. What we are offering is only 800 beds. It's not even a drop in the ocean. So even if 50% of the workforce there start working from home, you still have almost 1 lakh workforce on that corridor, and I am offering only 800 beds. And trust me, the millennial workforce will only prefer a model like this going forward rather than a traditional apartment where he has to go meet the owner, then fight with the association, furnish his apartment. When there is no hassles and we are offering a plug and play community of similar like-minded crowd, we will be the first choice, and we are the only branded player with this kind of volumes on that market. So be it Porur or OMR, we are not even fulfilling 5% of the demand in the market.
Okay, thank you, sir. Because this is a problem we are facing now.
No,
That's
I
why
understand.
just I want to clarify.
I understand, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Chandru sir, you can ask.
Yeah, my question to Arvind. Good morning, Arvind.
Morning,
See, I have a question about this Adambakam. You said there's a 29,000 square feet is available on commercial space.
Sir.
Can I know how many floor it is? What is the floor plate? And
Sure, sir.
what is the completion? You said within 11 months. The project has been already started, or you are going to start? Can you enlighten more on it?
Sure, sir. Thank you for query, sir. So basically, this is a 29,630 square feet basement stilt and 4-story building. And besides this, every floor around 8,000 plus square feet is the floor plate. And the construction at site has already begun. And that is why the handover is 11 months from now, which is April 2022.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Mr. Srinivasan.
I'll contact you. Yeah.
So Arvind, my question is to you.
Yes, sir.
First question is your rental agreements with this Pristine Pavilion investors?
Yeah.
Is that reached a renewal stage? As in, have you completed the first 5 years or whatever tenure you got into?
Okay.
And the second question is the current construction status of your Lloyd's Road property.
Okay. So, sir, Pristine Pavilion Phase 2, the offering was for 3 years, after which few customers came back to us and we again renewed it for 11 months twice. So this is the time where there was no occupancy. We had to basically part ways. So our commitment, whatever on paper was there, was fulfilled. Now coming to Phase 3, where we had signed for 5 years, we have completed 2 years plus as of now, and rest everything is in process. So what we only requested for the whole of the year was in Phase 3 that whatever rental commitment we have given, we have requested for a discount of earlier 50%. Finally, we negotiated and brought it down to 30% was discounted. So let's say, for example, if I had to pay them 10,000 rupees, we paid 7,000 rupees, and they were actually happy that something has come out, because they are also very well aware with all the current technologies of EB meter reading and everything. They know that there is no one staying in their apartment. Still, to honor the commitment on mutual understanding, we arrived at a solution. Now, coming to your second question about Lloyd's Road, again, the Bhumi Puja is done and the construction at site has begun. And tentatively, we are looking at a handover of again 11 months from now, April 2022, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Arvind?
Yes, sir.
In these times of COVID and everyone has got into this mode of work from home.
Yeah.
Now, this co-living operations in Navalur, a lot of the IT companies have started downsizing on their size and people started going back to their hometowns and working from home.
Yeah.
How do you see that going forward? Will this come back into force like the old times, and the entire force will come back to town to work from Chennai from these, and then you reach out to them? How do you see the co-living going forward? Because
Sure.
you're saying that you're
Thanks
giving a
for your
guarantee of
question,
5
sir.
years. Now everyone has
Yeah.
become a little comfortable with Zoom calls, with Microsoft, all these platforms to attend meetings online and to work from home online.
True.
How is it going to pan out going forward?
Sure. Thanks for your question, sir. The point is, it is work from home, not work from native. So basically, what companies going forward are going to do is they will look at a model where 50% workforce is at any time available at office. So which means that it will bring it to alternate day working. And once you make it alternate day working, it will definitely not result. It will not be practically possible and cost-wise feasible for employees to travel on alternate days from their hometown. So definitely in next 6 to 8 months time, things will become normal. People will start coming back to their workplace. Yes, definitely work from home is there for long, but it is not work from native. It is not remote working. The alternate day working will again bring in the demand towards our side. And that is the reason, if you see in my Porur presentation, I have clearly kept a workstation also for people who are staying there. To second point I would like to make here is that besides targeting working professionals, we also target HR professionals as well of all the top companies. And what we get an understanding from them is that this is just a temporary phase. Again, people will be back to workplace in sooner or later. So you can be rest assured, we will again come back to you. We will sign up properties directly so that we can provide decent accommodation, rather a proper lifestyle accommodation to our employees.
Thank you.
Yeah, Vinay, and just to add to what Arvind said, what we have read in papers and we have find out from various IT sources is that there is a policy of rotational work from home or concept. So it's not that somebody is going to be permanently work from home. He may be on a work from home mode for 6 months, then he comes back to office for 6 months. So that is when the co-living concept makes a lot more sense. So if somebody who is not in Chennai has to come and work in Chennai for 6 months, he will rather prefer to come and stay in a co-living concept rather than find a house on rent. And like I said,
that's fair.
Yeah,
Correct.
800 beds is a drop in the ocean. So OMR will continue to be vibrant, and it's very important that it continues to remain vibrant for all of us.
Thank you.
Manoj sir.
Yeah.
I am Madhu Krishna here. Actually, I have a co-living place companies a lot. I have 2-3 companies are there. Whether you will give 1, 2 blocks or 3 blocks like that?
No, sir. I think I told you this is this particular.
That is, you are maintaining. I know that you are going to maintain the co-living place and you want to sell that individuals only.
Okay.
But I am asking you, if I have a co-living place companies, I am having 3-4 companies.
Okay.
They want to take a block, 1 block or 2 blocks, 3 blocks like that. Is it possible to give?
Sorry, I didn't get it. No. You want us to give to a co-living company? Is that your question?
Yeah.
So, we are open to that, but we may like to give it as an entire block, not in.
Not XYZ, not piece. I am talking about entire block, 1 block or 2 blocks like that.
Yeah, in Navalur, it's 1 full block. Like Arvind said, close to handover, we can look at that option. Or we are also ready to maintain it on our own as a co-living.
Okay. So you are ready to give?
No, that's what we are open to the idea.
So Muthu sir, the point what we are trying to make here is that the both options are open. We have also started our own operational arm under the brand TrueLive. So either we may look into own operations, or we may take external support of and white collar ourselves with a brand like Zoro, or if at all you have any option available. So that definitely is open, sir. We are open to that. Based on our discussion and the work experience and everything, we will take a call.
Okay, they are already in the big company. That's why I'm asking.
Okay. Sure, sir. We'll definitely look into that, sir. That's a that option is open for us.
Okay, Arvind, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah, we are unable to see you first. Okay. Anyway, see, you said there are 182 units. Yeah, hi. Then it's nice to see you now. Okay, there are 182 units, right? So I just want to know what is the like the handover period. What is the date of handover for this
So
TrueLive?
there are 182 units in Navalur TrueLive.
Okay.
Where the March 2023 is set as handover date. There are
March
178 units in Porur, which is also set as March 2020 as handover date. 23, sorry.
Okay. Okay. So you have started taking bookings for TrueLive, and what is the inventory available now?
So currently in Porur, we have sold 38 units in last 2 months with our existing customer database and CP or business associates helping us. We have reached to that number. And I think Manoj can highlight on the availability chart of Centralia and TrueLive Navalur.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. This is Manoj here. And TrueLive Navalur, we in fact launched in May during the peak of the first wave of COVID. And we only had an online launch. And the response has been fabulous. So we have done more than 130 units out of the 182 units at Navalur.
Okay, that's great. So if we have a customer, and you'll be able to give this kind of a Zoom presentation to the client?
In fact, my team is ready for a virtual site visit, ma'am. So please share the detail with Howard. In fact, like Howard said, during this second phase of unfortunate lockdown, we as a team have been able to do more than 10 bookings of TrueLive Navalur alone. So because it's an investment product, we find that customers are very open to the idea of investing in a product from DRA and the credibility that we have been able to build. So we have a virtual site visit enabled, and we are ready to showcase the project to the customers. So please feel free to share the details with Howard.
Yeah, so I'll get in touch because I have one investor who's looking at something like this. So
please,
I'll get in touch. And then regarding the shops, that is which project you had those retail shops on sale?
Navalur, ma'am.
Same Navalur.
Yeah.
Okay, so like all the shops are ground floor?
It's on the first floor.
First floor.
So okay, so nothing is available.
Still it is taken for parking. So it is on the first floor. There are 6 retail shops.
Okay, first floor. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
You can get in touch with me.
Sure.
The shop as well as the.
And I think
Mr. Manoj.
Yeah.
This is Purushottam here. I mean, you've been very gracefully answering all the questions. One question came to my mind because normally in city, we have a procedure where normally rental agreement.
Sir, you have been on mute, sir, by mistake. Mr. Purushottam. Kindly unmute yourself, Mr. Purushottam.
Purushottam, you're not audible.
Purushottam?
You've gone on mute.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah. See, in city, there is a practice to register the rental agreements with regard, because we get into an arrangement with you and if we get an investor, the investor would definitely want to know what is the security in case tomorrow you go in for a 5-year term. I would like to have my rental agreement or my arrangement registered with you. So how do you go about with that kind of a situation? If the investor is a little particular, because you are signing up with the investor for a 5-year rental arrangement and you pay a 17,500 rent. So how do we look at it in that purview?
We are open to that. See, we will see anyway now the rent authority is also getting in shape. So 2 years down the line, we will go according to whatever is the prevailing norms at that point of time.
Fine, I'll connect with you on this on a personal note, one-to-one.
Definitely.
Thanks.
Definitely.
Manoj, continuing where Purushottam left. So I understand that this rental assurance plan, there would be a deposit on it, or is it adjusted to the payments?
No, there is no deposit involved here.
There is no deposit. Fine. And number two, is there a rental escalation every year?
At Navalur, for the first 5 years, there is no rental escalation because we are already paying more than double the prevailing rent in the market. So after 5 years, definitely we will recalibrate the rent according to the market conditions, and there will be definitely an escalation.
Good. Excellent. Thank you.
In Porur, I think there is a rental escalation clause.
Why is that discrimination like?
So it's not a discrimination.
The model is different.
The model is different.
You only said OMR rocks, no?
Oh, yeah, correct. See, that is more. That's see, OMR, we are offering you a 762 size apartment with 2 bedrooms, and now Porur, it's more like a service apartment. So the concept is different.
Yeah, it is very small. What's the square feet again in Porur?
328.
Okay.
The main question which is there in everyone's mind is what are the payouts for the channel partners if we do the sale? We have not touched that subject at all.
We kept it to the last.
Because all of us are excited to know whether we are being offered 5%, 7%, 10%. What is it that we're being offered?
No, I think
that's always a suspense, you know. That's always a suspense.
Good question. TRA and Howard are pretty benevolent on that front. So the industry is proof to that. So Howard will elaborate that in detail. See, but one thing I would also like to highlight is more than the percent. See, you may find a lot of interesting bigger numbers in terms of percentages. But what we bring to the table is that whatever is a percentage we agree upon, we pay you on time or ahead of time. So that is one guarantee that we offer. So you may find some developers offering a bigger percentage than us. But what we do is that we ensure we pay you on time. So that is one point that I would like to highlight. Howard will share the details with you. If there are not questions right now, I wanted to give one small update on the commercial. If you recollect, Arvind had spoken about the commercial on Velachery, which is called Platin. It's a grade A commercial space. It's ready for fit outs in a month's time. So there we have 2 floors for retail. I think somebody was asking for retail space on the ground floor. We have retail space available there. And on the 3rd floor, we are thinking of a new concept where only in the 3rd floor, we are trying to create a compact office space. So this is something which we are in discussion with Mr. Amit. And I thought this will be a right forum to give you all a sneak peek, because I find the audience here is obviously very serious. So we still have 57 people participating, and I don't see numbers dropping as the time went by. So our apologies for actually taking the presentation a little longer. But this is one update I wanted to give you. So we are looking at compact office spaces. So we are looking at around 7 offices in 1 floor. Office sizes ranging from 1,200 to 3,000 square feet. So if you have any corporates or MSMEs looking at small offices in Velachery, please do get in touch with Amit. We are looking at these compact offices. It is a unique mix of, we are only looking at selling it. So this compact offices will have all the amenities and facilities of a grade A office space. It has a recreation room on that particular floor. So all the employees have a common recreation room. There is a separate toilet space. So toilets are outside, common, and there's a visitors toilet. There are executive toilets for the MDs of the businesses. So all those factors have been taken care of, and we want to create a good office space, but at the same time, which are compact. So that is one update which I wanted to give you all. So if you think of compact office spaces in South Chennai, please get in touch with Amit. This is something which it's on the drawing board, but we are confident of coming up with this concept.
Mr. Manoj and Howard, we are still with 57 participants. It shows that all the realtors here are interested in DRA.
Absolutely.
And before Mr. Howard answers on this part of payout and the lead registration, I would like to add a question. See, OMR is flooded with infrastructure developments, including up to SIPCOT. There is an elevated road and the metro and all other facilities. Okay. Absolutely. And you nicely pitched it for the TrueLive with the co-living concept. But what about the preferred sizes of the clients in Centralia? One. And the other question is, and are you going to come out with any other special offers for the clients?
Okay, like I said, we are just 1 kilometer off the OMR. So we are 1 kilometer away from the Navalur metro station. And for co-living, this will be the preferred choice. Plus, like I said, we also give those shuttle services also. Now, coming to your second question in terms of Centralia, we offer a combination of 2 and 2.5 BHKs for our customers there. And like I said, the GST is 1% because we have restricted our sizes within that affordable category. 2.5 BHKs are all sold out. So obviously, we feel that there is a need for that work from home space in every house. So in a 2.5 BHK, we find the customers were preferring the 2.5. So they get 2 good bedrooms. Apart from that, they also get a 3rd bedroom, which is a work from home space or a home school space for their kids. So currently in our inventory, we are left with only 2 BHKs. That's again in the size of 979 square feet to 1035 square feet, which is a decent size for a 2 BHK and ideal for first-time home buyers and second-time home buyers and double income families in the IT corridor. And we have had excellent response even for Centralia. We launched it in October 2020, and we have almost done around 80 odd units there.
And regarding this maintenance, you said you'll be taking care of the maintenance, no, for this TrueLive.
Yes.
So is it for the entire, how many years? Is it like any cap is there on that?
No, for the first 5 years, when we are signing the lease, the rent is guaranteed at 17,500 and maintenance will be absorbed by DRA fully.
Okay.
So that is where the net realization is 5.1. So typically a rental realization in residential in Chennai is not more than 2%. So that is the big jump that we are able to offer at TrueLive purely because of the fact that we are modeling it on the co-living concept.
Okay.
Manoj sir, a small suggestion there.
Yes,
There's a ATC benefit that now you get now from the home loan.
Correct.
Probably you can highlight that as well. I didn't see that in the slide.
It was there as one of the benefits in the point mentioned.
But the value I'm saying. So for a client who is taking a 32 lakhs loan,
okay,
1.5 lakhs or 2 lakhs, whatever benefit that he gets, the exact tax benefit that can also be added to the slide.
Yeah, so we will share a detailed working of the same also. We have that.
Right, sure.
And I think coming back to the previous question in terms of offer, even for Centralia, we are currently running a pre-EMI offer where we take care of the pre-EMI interest as a reimbursement. So 80% home loan amount, whatever is the interest amount that is paid by the customer to the bank, it will be reimbursed by DRA on a monthly basis.
Well said. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Friends, any more questions from any of you? We are almost done with the more than an hour. And I'd like to thank all of you for the active participation. And before we start our proceedings, next, if any more questions, you are welcome. And I would like Howard to answer to the questions on lead registration and the payouts.
Yes, sir. The lead registration process, we have Sell.do. Plus, we have Sell.do. I give username, password for channel partners who give me more leads, the old ones as well, which we can provide for you all. And we have my email address and another email address for ct.chennai to register the leads. And you will get a duplicate immediately. Shushmita takes care of all that. And even if it's a DRA lead to, which belongs to DRA, it comes into DRA to the website or Google search or whatever. If you can accompany and bring the client and come, all credit is given, which everyone is aware of that. Payouts, we have different structures. I start basically across all DRA projects, it's 2.5 below 1 crore. Okay, and above 1 crore is 3%. We had Ascot, we had 90 degrees, and we had Navalur, which it was very good. Ascot was always 1 crore and above project. So every booking used to go 3% to channel partner. As well as in Navalur, we have 50 lakhs, 40 lakhs. So 2 bookings again, channel partners take 3% together. We work it out as every quarter. Then in between we give for the front runner 5,000, 10,000 depending on the booking. All that offers varies every quarter. And as well, you'll know payout comes much earlier than other developers. We never delay. Once the invoice comes into my hand, it takes only about 2 weeks maximum for your money to come in.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Howard.
Yes, sir. And you are aware, I think you earlier you said it in the beginning of the meeting. We paid.
Manoj, can you be a little louder, please?
I said earlier in the meeting.
Yes.
Sir Balaji sir said that we paid before sale. Yeah, that happened to 20 channel partners on New Year morning. I spoke to Manoj and Ranjit and got an approval. They said, good, we'll go ahead and pay them. From morning 7 o'clock to evening 7, I went across the whole city and gave 20 channel partners 50,000 rupees upfront for one booking. That's
really commendable.
Yes, certainly.
We've done many. Last quarter, just to make the channel partner happy, we were giving customers a 40-inch smart TV. So one channel partner, two were very close, Home Connect and Mariappan, 24K reality. He varied with few thousand. So I went to his place. Mr. Manoj came up early morning. We went about 9:50, 9:30 before they started and gave him a big TV, which he was very happy. Never expected that. So something always comes up different. So we'll be very happy to do that with all of you all, to be honest, to each and every of you all. Let's work together. I'm always available 24 hours. Once lockdown's over, I'll personally come meet you all.
Friends, I would like to assure all of you that your experience with the DRA and Howard, who handles the CP channel, will be an excellent one. And they will extend all the gestures and as I told in the beginning, they are treating not as a channel partner, they are treating all of us as a business associate and extended arms. And now I ask Mr. Sridhar, we are almost done with an hour. And Sridhar,
thank you, Balaji, thank you. Basically, I mean, the team DRA did an excellent, very impressive presentation. Thanks to Manoj, Howard, and Arvind. And the best thing is, like, what I liked about the whole thing was that you just invest about 8.5 lakhs, put it on the table, and then you realize about around 17,000 and odd rental. And it means that it's only a small upfront every month. I mean, that's really exciting. I'm very sure some of us will take it. I should really thank all the 60 participants out here who are, instead of sitting and complaining about this pandemic and what to do with boring day and all that, they are sitting out here learning, getting to know about what is happening in the real estate market. Manoj was very good in giving us a few highlights about Talambur, Navalur, and also about co-living spaces. Thank you, Manoj. Really good. Okay.
Sir, I just want to mention one thing before I go. I don't know if many of you all know about it. In Navalur TrueLive, 10 channel partners, we called them personally and had a chat. Ranjit, we decided that Manoj was there. We gave them a very price for what we gave for our employees. We gave them that offer. Each of them bought an apartment for themselves, 10 channel partners. And it was like somewhere around 8 lakhs off the table.
Fantastic.
Which we didn't give any home buyer to. We gave it for CP. Ranjit gave it to us as an employee. And then this idea came up. We called them and we gave it to them. They just grabbed it for themselves and the family, brother, plus friends and all that. It came up very well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's really good, Howard. I mean,
do we have a special rate? Sir, Mr. Howard, do we have a special rate for the channel partners in case they prefer to take something like that?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Ask Mr. Manoj, is there with me. Arvind, we did that.
Like Howard said, see, we are looking forward to our channel partners more as business partners, and we are open to expanding this family and engage with the right kind of channel partners. And Howard will be the face of DRA for all the channel partners, even for TrueLive projects as well as DRA. So TrueLive is basically 100% subsidiary of DRA, and going forward, they will be dealing with all the investment related projects like TrueLive. So now my only request to all of you is please think of DRA whenever you're looking at any kind of investment returns, any kind of end-use products, commercial, retail, compact offices. We have all the works for you. So please think of DRA and get in touch with Howard or any of us for that matter. and we will be more than happy to support you and ensure that we click a deal.
Just a request, you could probably share your phone numbers on the chat box, so for us to make a note on that, and then we could take things forward from there.
Definitely.
Thanks.
Shobham, I've shared the contacts on our WhatsApp groups also.
Okay.
Because Shubha was asking for the same. I've shared Howard's number, and there's even I think Manoj had given the contact of a lady.
Yeah, Sushmita. She's been
Sushmita. I have shared that on WhatsApp groups also.
Thanks, Vinay. Thanks, Vinay.
Manoj's number is also there on the WhatsApp group.
Right.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you once again. Just want to remind you that again for tomorrow and day after, we still have a lot more exciting events coming up. Should thank Vinay. He's taking care of the entire techniques along with Indra, and of course thank Amit, who's putting the whole thing together. Fantastic. Thank you all participants.
Thank
you. Thank you all.
Absolutely.
Balaji, thank you so much.
Great initiative by Amit.
Thank
Great
you.
initiative by Amit to organize an event like this. And I find, like I said, the participation has been extremely sincere and honest. So we definitely look forward to interacting with you all. And I think post the lockdown, we can even look at organizing a group visit to our sites, Porur, Navalur, even the community. So we are definitely open to it. Yeah, please think of it and let us know a convenient date and time. We will take care of the works.
Sure. Pleasure is ours.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.